Did you know that the Nothing Phone 2 was one of the most talked about devices in 2022, praised for its unique design and features? It made waves in the smartphone world, and now the Nothing Phone 3 is here, making everyone wonder if it's worth the hype and price. The Nothing Phone 3 is the latest addition to the lineup from Nothing Technology Limited, a company that's been making a name for itself with innovative designs. This phone continues the brand's mission to challenge conventional smartphone designs. Its unique design is undoubtedly one of its standout features. Nothing Technology Limited is a relatively new player in the smartphone market, but it has quickly gained attention for its bold approach to design and functionality. The company's mission is to create products that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The Nothing Phone 1 and Phone 2 were significant steps in this direction, and the Phone 3 aims to build on that success. The brand's previous products have shown a commitment to minimalism and clean lines, which is evident in the Phone 3's design. The transparent back and lack of a traditional camera bump set it apart from other smartphones on the market. This approach to design is not just about aesthetics, it also reflects the company's focus on creating a sense of community among its users. By stripping away unnecessary features and focusing on the essentials, Nothing aims to create a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, making for smooth visuals. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust processor that ensures seamless performance, whether you're multitasking or gaming. In terms of camera capabilities, the Phone 3 features a versatile triple camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens. This setup allows for impressive photo and video capture, with features like optical zoom and enhanced low-light performance. Battery life is another area where the Phone 3 shines, with a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use. It also supports fast charging, getting you back to 100% in no time. One of the unique functionalities of the Nothing Phone 3 is its LED lighting system on the back, which can be customized for notifications, music, and more. This feature adds a fun and interactive element to the phone, setting it apart from competitors. The phone also runs on the latest version of Nothing OS, which offers a clean and intuitive interface. The display is not just about size, it's also about quality, with HDR10+ support and a high pixel density for crisp images. In real-world use, the phone's performance is smooth, handling everything from social media browsing to demanding games with ease. The Nothing Phone 3 also excels in its audio capabilities, with dual speakers that deliver clear and balanced sound. When it comes to storage, the Phone 3 offers multiple options, ranging from 128GB to 512GB, ensuring you have ample space for your apps, photos, and files. Another highlight is the phone's durability, with IP67 water and dust resistance providing peace of mind in harsh conditions. In terms of software, the Nothing Phone 3 benefits from regular updates, ensuring you have the latest security patches and features. The phone's design isn't just about looks, it's also functional, with an in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for quick and secure unlocking. The Nothing Phone 3 has several pros, including its unique design, impressive display, and strong performance. However, some cons include a relatively high price point and limited availability of certain features. In terms of value for money, the Phone 3 is certainly competitive, offering a premium experience at a price that's comparable to other high-end smartphones. The user experience is another area where the Phone 3 excels, with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate. The phone's performance is also noteworthy, handling demanding tasks with ease. One area for improvement is the phone's battery life, which could be better. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't the only smartphone on the market with a unique design and strong features. The Google Pixel 7 Pro, for example, offers a similar camera experience with its exceptional photo capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, boasts a larger display and more powerful performance. The iPhone 14 Pro offers a seamless ecosystem experience for Apple fans. When compared to these competitors, the Nothing Phone 3 holds its own, offering a unique blend of design, performance, and features. In real-world scenarios, the Nothing Phone 3 has performed admirably, handling everything from everyday tasks to more demanding uses. The phone's camera has taken impressive photos and videos, and its battery has easily lasted a full day. The phone's design has also been a conversation starter, with many people drawn to its unique look. In terms of durability, the phone has withstood accidental drops and spills, thanks to its robust construction. I've personally been using the Nothing Phone 3 for a while now, and I've been impressed with its performance. The phone's design has grown on me, and I appreciate its simplicity. The camera has taken some amazing photos, and the battery has been reliable. One thing I've noticed is that the phone's interface is very intuitive, making it easy to navigate. The Nothing Phone 3 is certainly a worthy contender in the smartphone market, offering a unique blend of design, performance, and features. Overall, I'd give the Phone 3 a solid 8.5 out of 10, based on its strengths and weaknesses. The phone is ideal for users who value a unique design and strong performance. If you're looking for a smartphone that stands out from the crowd, the Nothing Phone 3 is definitely worth considering. If you've had any experiences with the Nothing Phone 3 or have thoughts on its features and price, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment down below and let's discuss. If you're interested in checking out more content like this, be sure to watch another one of my videos on the top 5 smartphones of the year. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.